You can talk to Alexa like you would your best friend. You don't have to say Alexa before every command. Just enable follow-up mode and Alexa will respond to your follow-up commands without having to repeat the wake word. After you say Alexa, the blue light indicator will remain on for a few seconds and you can give your next command. You can enable follow-up mode in the Alexa app, or you can say, Alexa, enable follow-up mode.
Follow-up mode is now on.
Rock, paper, scissors for chores?
All right, let's do it.
Oh, rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
That's 2 out of 3?
Not a chance.
Okay.
Now go ahead.
Alexa, remind me to do my laundry at 2 p.m. today.
Okay, I'll remind you at 2 p.m. today.
Remind me to wash my white dress shirt at 2 p.m. today.
I'll remind you at 2 p.m. today.
Ooh, remind me to give myself a high five for finishing my laundry at 3 p.m. today.
Okay, I'll remind you at 3 p.m. today.
What?